In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Amazon Fresh order. To begin, sign into your Amazon account. You will see a familiar homepage with various options and categories. Look for the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it, and a prompt will appear asking for your email and password. Enter your details carefully. This step is crucial because accessing your account is the gateway to managing your orders. Once you've logged in successfully, you will feel reassured knowing you are in the right place to make necessary changes. Next, navigate to your orders. You can find this option in the drop-down menu under your account name, which is also in the top right corner. Click on your orders and you will be directed to a list of all your recent purchases. This section is important because it allows you to view and manage everything you've ordered, including your Amazon Fresh orders. Look for the specific order you want to modify. When you locate it, you will see all the details related to that order for easy reference. After locating your Amazon Fresh order, select the order you want to modify. This action will take you to a dedicated page for that order. Here you will see a summary of your purchased items, the delivery address, and the scheduled delivery time. Selecting the correct order is vital as it ensures you are making changes to the right items. Once you're on this page, you will feel a sense of control over your order, knowing you can customize it as needed. Now choose the option you need, such as Edit Items. This allows you to add or remove products from your order. You will see a button labeled Edit Items. Clicking this will open your order's contents. Here you can adjust what you want in your delivery. You might decide to add a few more groceries you've realized you need or remove items you no longer want. This flexibility is important because it ensures you get exactly what you need in your delivery. From there, you may also reschedule your order. If you click on the option to reschedule, a calendar will appear. You can pick a new delivery slot that better fits your schedule. This is particularly useful if something unexpected comes up. Adjusting your delivery time can help ensure you are home to receive your groceries. Remember, having control over your delivery schedule helps avoid missed deliveries and potential inconvenience. Next, look for Change next to Payment or Other available details. This option allows you to update your payment method or other specifics. If you need to change your payment method, click on this option and it will guide you through the process. This step matters because it ensures that your transaction is processed smoothly without any hiccups. After making your necessary changes, you will feel confident that everything is set for your order. Now follow the on-screen instructions and confirm your changes. Once you've made all the adjustments, make sure to review everything before finalizing. A confirmation screen will appear summarizing your modifications. This is important because it gives you a chance to double-check your order. Confirming your changes secures your updates, and you will see a confirmation appear indicating that your modifications were successful. To add items, return to the Amazon Fresh store. This allows you to browse for additional products. After you find what you want, add them to your cart and select Add to Fresh Delivery. Orders that can still be modified usually display a message saying you can still add to this delivery. This is reassuring as it indicates that you can still make adjustments to your order without any hassle. Keep in mind that once Amazon starts preparing or shipping your groceries, you may no longer be able to make changes. This is a crucial point to remember. It helps you understand the time frame in which you can adjust your order. If the order can no longer be edited, you may need to cancel it and place a new one. This might seem inconvenient, but it ensures you have the most accurate order delivered. Lastly, some regions also do not allow changes to delivery instructions after checkout. This is important to note as it can affect your delivery experience. Always check the policies specific to your location to avoid surprises. Understanding these limitations helps you plan ahead and make the most of your Amazon Fresh experience.